Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Maybelline, like a new stuff that I got at Maybelline, new at Maybelline. I don't even know what to call it. So I received these products and I wanted to do a face using all of the products that I got. This is not going to be like a full face Maybelline, but I am going to use everything that I got. So I'm super excited for this video. We're going to jump straight into it. Before I get started, actually, I just want to say thank you so much to Maybelline for sending this stuff over. It is a dream. It is a dream. It is a dream that I am living to be like a little micro influencer and to receive product from brands of this caliber. I am humbled and grateful and like what you know. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my videos, following me on Instagram, just supporting my journey, because without you I would not be doing this. So yeah, let's get into it. We're getting started with brows today, and I'm using two products from Maybelline. One is the Tattoo Studio brow gel. This is a waterproof brow gel, and I'm going in as well with this Brow Studio pencil. It's like a micro brow pencil, pretty similar to the ABH micro brow pencil or the Anastasia one, and you can see how thin it is. So first I start with the pencil to shape out my brows, and then I go in, once I'm happy with the shape, I go in and I thicken them up. What I love about these tiny little brow pencils is that you can create these very nice hair-like strokes and get very detailed, especially on the inner corner. I feel like my brows are slightly far apart, so I like to fill in that area. So now we have brows done. I'm going in with the Total Temptation palette. Now this palette is really gorgeous. I was surprised at how pigmented it was. As you can see, like when I swatch it with my hands, super pigmented. So I was going in initially with a transition color, but then I decided no, I'm going to use the Instant Age Rewind as an eyeshadow base because I wanted the colors to pop. I've been having an eyeshadow base lately and not setting it, so that's what you see me doing right now. So I'm just covering most of my mobile lid with the concealer and then kind of feathering it out, and then I'm going in with my first color, which is that deep brown shade, and just patting it in my crease. This technique is mainly seen by some UK artists, in which you go in with like darker shades and then you go back in with lighter shades to blend it out. So usually it doesn't look very pretty in the beginning and it's like, oh my god, what is she doing? But in the end it works out pretty well. My only thing with this, I always want to say qualm, but I don't even know who uses that word. My only thing with this, the black and the brown in this palette, is that I felt like it was quite chalky for my complexion. But since my hair was pastel and, you know, like it worked out in the end, but it is quite chalky. I do like some more saturated, deeper shades. Because on darker skin tones, sometimes like shades like this look a little bit patchy, but since I was wearing a pink wig, I got away with it. So I went ahead and I cut my crease with that Instant Age Rewind. I'm going to use a tiny little crease brush. If you guys want to see a more detailed routine on a cut crease, let me know down below. I haven't done one in a while, and this was like a quick one, but I could do like a super slay, like perfect cut crease if y'all want. So then I just went in with the gold color, and I'm going back in with that salmon shade as well on the outer third of the eye and just winging it out a little bit. And then I pick up a pencil brush to add some definition in that crease. Now for my liner, I'm doing something a little bit different and more playful. I'm using the Vivid Bright liquid liners. Real talk though, these liners do crack. I wear them anyway, but they do crack, which is pretty annoying. But what I notice is that the colors that crack is like the white and the yellow and the much lighter colors, but the deeper shades don't seem to crack. I don't know if it has anything to do with the formula. And so I went ahead and did my black wing liner off camera because I've done it 1,000 times, but I did want to keep in me going over with this yellow and keep in my mistakes because I like messed it up and then went back to fix it, just to show you guys that like it's not always perfect the first time. We are experimenting, especially when you're doing a new technique. It is normal to like not get it perfect, but you just need to know how to fix things when you do mess it up, because that's like more realistic of how it goes when you are applying your makeup. And so here I went back in and I fixed it with that black shadow, and it's like it never happened. So moving on, I just added some of those transition shades to my lower lash line and popped some mascara on, but I'll go back in with Total Temptation in a minute. I love these Morphe lashes. I got this little lash book from Morphe and I'm using the luxurious lashes. I like that I can keep any lashes that I've used one time in this and that I know what the names still are, especially for YouTube and social media. So now I'm going in with this Total Temptation mascara, which is bomb.com, you guys. Like, I am a little bit of a mascara fiend because I love like super voluminous lashes, and I always have such an issue making my baby lashes pop, and I felt like this really did, especially on the lower lashes. It's very rare that I like a mascara from like the get-go, and this is definitely one that gives me like a fuller lash and makes my lashes longer, so I was pretty happy about that. Okay, so now I'm going in to finish up with the lips, and I'm using the Superstay Matte Ink lipsticks. This shade was like so perfect for this hair color. Like, it's so funny too because this was a total accident how the wig worked with that like salmon shade in the crease and the lips. I guess it was just meant to be, and the look came together pretty nicely. I adore this color. These lipsticks are so comfortable, you guys, like so comfortable and pretty affordable. And so once I finished with this, I wanted to add some dimension, which I often do, and so I went in with a slightly lighter shade, just in the center really of my lip, and I think that it gives you like a fuller lip or more pouty lip when you add a lighter color in the middle. So then I went in to highlight my inner corner with that highlighter in the middle, and look at how it makes that inner corner pop. This is such a gorgeous color. I think for medium skin tones this would be a perfect color highlighter if you have like an olive skin tone as well. It's a little blinding for deeper skin tones, but honestly, if you want to make it pop, you can definitely wear it. It low-key reminds me of the Ofra Blissful highlighter. The tone is kind of the same, I think. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's a little more of a fun eye look, not something that I would do for an everyday, but hey, I should have gone like grocery shopping after this to just slay at Trader Joe's or Whole Foods. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely thumbs this up if you did, as well as comment down below on other videos that you are interested in seeing. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless you, and remember, don't let anyone dim your glitter. Love you guys. Bye.